Hello, my name is Martin. I'm one of the technicians at the Swansway Motor Group, and today I'd just like to explain what is included in the winter health check. But first I'd just like to say how important it is to get your vehicle checked. You don't want it broke down at the side of the road, being stressed out and causing problems to other road users. So what's included? First of all, we'll be checking your tyres to make sure that they're road legal and there is plenty of tread on them to cope with the weather ahead. We'll be also looking at the brake pads, making sure there's sufficient material left on those and the discs will cope with that. We'll also be checking the battery to make sure that your vehicle is going to start in the morning and, more importantly, get you home in the evening. We're also checking all the fluid levels under the bonnet, waters, screen washers, oils, and more importantly we'll be checking your antifreeze content to make sure that it's going to cope with the cold weather expected. Because if it's low antifreeze content can cause catastrophic failure of the engine. We'll be also checking all the steering on the vehicle. We'll be making sure all the components are working so your vehicle will go where you want to put it. We'll be also checking the wiper blades on the vehicle and the windscreen to make sure you can see where you're going. We'll be also making sure that all the lights on the vehicles work so you can see where the car's going, and more importantly, all the road users can see you as well. We'll be also making sure that there's no warning lights on the dash, so your vehicle is operating as it should. For more information, I'd like to direct you to the Swansway website. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. I hope to see you soon.